start with other kinds of udara, reasons for udara. That is, first one is pleehodara. Pleha means you can correlate with spleen in the modern science, modern anatomical science. Pleha is usually present in the left side of the body anatomically. So here, Acharya has mentioned two types of enlargement of abdomen due to vitiation of pleha. One is Chuta vritti and other is Achyuta vritti. Chuta means displacement. Displacement from its own place is Chuta. That means spleen is getting displaced from its own position and getting enlarged. Getting enlarged and displaced from its position, and it fills the abdomen and enlarges the abdomen. Another one is Achyuta vritti, means there is no displacement but it enlarges in its own place, from its own place, and encroaches the whole abdomen. Both have two different reasons for its Chuta and Achyuta avasthas. That means it is told that Atyashitasya samkshovad yana yanadi cheshtidai. That is, excess eating and following it is indulging in violent activities and traveling in houses, etc. like that. Doing severe exercise and walking for long, then severe vomiting, forceful vomiting, then emaciation, getting emaciation due to any other diseases, especially related to Raktavaha Shrotas here, because spleen is or pleha is involved, is the Raktavaha Shrota Mula. This is due to Raktavaha Shrota Dushti. So in all these conditions, pleha can get vitiated. Ati vyayama karma atva vamana vyati karshane. Vama parshvasita pleha chutasthana virta. And due to this violent activities, etc., the Vama Parshvasa, the left side at situated spleen, Chuta Sthanati, displaces from its position and Varsate, and along with it increases in size and it displaces from its position. And Shonitam va rasadibhya vivratam tam vivarthayet. In Achyuta type, that is Shonita and Dushta Rasadidhadu is considered as the pathogenesis. That means activities or ahara vihara which vitiates shonita and rasa in the sharira, and due to this the pleha, or since the rakta is affected, raktava shrota mula is also affected, and as a result pleha is also affected, and due to its hyperactivity of trying to produce good rakta or compensating good rakta, it increases in size. That is the second type, which it increases in its own position. And we come to the lakshanas of this kind of plehodara. It is so ashtila iva ati katina prak tataha kurma prishtavat. Initially it will be hard like a stone, ashtila or stone, and feel like a tortoise shell, exactly like a tortoise shell. On palpation we feel it like that. Kramena Vartamanasya, slowly it increases in size. Kuksha Udara Mavake, then fills the whole abdomen. So once it fills the whole abdomen, you can see it's a raised intra-abdominal pressure, can exert pressure on the respiratory system and other systems, causing various kinds of lakshanas like shwasa, kasa, dyspnea, cough, pipasa, thirst. Since the ambuvaha shrotas is vitiated, there is thirst, severe thirst. Asya virusya, all this due to Agni Nasha, Atmana, distension of abdomen is present, along with pain in abdomen and fever due to inflammatory changes happening in the spleen. Pandutvam, there is anemia because Raktava Shrotas is involved and the quality of Rakta is decreased. Leads to Morcha again, giddiness, Chardi, vomiting due to raised intra-abdominal pressure may be the reason, and Daha, burning sensation, and Moha, again fainting. All these are due to Raktavaha Shrota Dushti Samyutam. Then again Arunapam Vivarnam va Neela Haridra Raji. So all these yellowish, reddish, pale or bluish striations or venous network can be seen over the abdomen. Acharyas have mentioned the types of pleehodara according to the dosha, that is the symptoms has classified according to the dosha visheshan, vataja, pittaja, kapaja. That is udavarta rujanaha mohatruddahana gauravaruchi katinya vidyat tatra malan kramat. So kramad in order vadaja udavarta ruja anaha. So reverse peristalsis, distension of abdomen, and pain. All these are Vataga symptoms or Vataga pleehodara symptoms. Then Paitiga is Moha, Trishna, Dahana, Jore, all this, fainting or fever and thirst, all these are Paitiga pleehodara lakshanas, and Kafaja it is Gaurava, Aruchi and Katinata of abdomen. So these are explained by Ashtangodaya, and in some other acharyas explained again about the Sannipada and Raktaja classification. It should be also understood due to the involvement of Rakta Dhatu. There is another condition explained along with pleehodara, that is Yakrut-Uttara. Yakrut and pleha are having a similar function when it comes to Raktavaha Shroto Mula, as both are considered as Raktavaha Shroto Mula. Only differentiation is in the anatomical location. Yakrat is situated in the right and pleha is situated in the left. Okay, so Acharyas have mentioned plehavat dakshinat parshvad. Similar to pleha, all the lakshanas or all the manifestation, it is nidanas, it is similar to pleha, but in dakshina parshva, situated in dakshina parshva, that is yakrat. In the right side, that is yakrit. Api chutam, again similar method of chuta and achuta vritti of yakrit is also explained in Ashtanga Hridaya. Again it is classified as earlier into Vatika, Paitika, Kafaja and Sannipadaja and Raktaja. We can make out all these dosha lakshanas and classify accordingly. Usually this is Yakrit Udara means the enlargement of liver. It is usually seen in conditions like fatty liver or alcoholic hepatitis, which leads to the cirrhosis condition. Cirrhosis condition where the liver cells are enlarged and leading to the enlarged liver, and following that ascites manifests. So this is the Yakrit Udara condition, which is similar to the pleha vritti lakshanas, nidanas and lakshanas. Now we'll come to the next type of udara, that is badhodara or badha gudodara. Badhodara means obstruction. So in this there is some kind of obstruction in the abdomen which leads to the manifestation of udara or enlargement of abdomen. So what is that obstruction? We can see that is pakshma valai saha annena bhukter badhayane gude. There is pakshma valai, the small hairs, lashes or small hairs in the body, intake of small hairs along with food. It gets obstructed in the Guda Pradesha or in the intestines, and leading to obstruction in the Guda Pradesha. Again, some internal abnormalities like piles. Durnama is piles or abscess. Udavarta, reverse peristalsis, it causes obstruction. And Anyarva, Anthropalepa, Pianthropalepa, the food substances get causing upalepa in Anthra, leading to strictures or decreased intestinal space. That is like clotting produced by Dadhi, Masha, etc. Those are considered as Anthropaleva. So all these causes obstruction in the intestine or the vitiation of Apanavayu and obstruction of Varcha, Pitta, Kapha and Rudva, obstruction of Varchas, feces, Pitta and Kapha, leading to distension of abdomen by vitiation of Apanavayu. Now come to the lakshanas of Badha Gudodara, that is Apano Jataram Tenasur Daha Jara Trit Kshava. When Apanavayu is vitiated and Jatara or the Udara results, producing burning sensation, fever, thirst and hunger, and Kasa Shwasa, respiratory symptoms due to increased abdominal pressure, exerting pressure on the respiratory system, Kasa on the lungs, on the diaphragm. Kasa Shwasa, Urusadana, that is weakness of the limbs. Then Shiro, Hrid, Napi, Payu, pain in Shira, Hrid, Napi and Payu, Pradesha. Then Malasanga means obstruction of Mutra and Purisha. Aruchi, loss of appetite. Shardil Udaram, Mutha Marudam.
which are the vomiting and reverse peristalsis. Then sthiram udara, that is stable, or achala udara, that lacks movement. The udara is stable. Neela aruna sira raji anatham arajiva. So there may be bluish or reddish network of veins which may be present always, or it may be absent. There may be or may not be presence of veins of bluish reddish colors. And if present, it is present over the umbilicus in the shape of resembles the shape of a gopucha, or the cow's tail. You can see the shape of a cow's tail, how it is curved sometimes, and how the hairs are there present in the edges. So it resembles that position, the network of veins. It resembles the cow's tail and is present nadherupari, or above the umbilicus. Just give me a short introduction to intestinal obstruction. What do you mean by that? It's a significant mechanical impairment or complete arrest of the passage of contents through the intestines. When the intestines is blocked, mechanically blocked, due to pathology that causes blockage of the bowel. Maybe many reasons may be there. Symptoms include cramping pain. When the abdomen or the intestine is obstructed, there will be cramping pain, vomiting, obstipation. Obstipation is complete blockage of stool and flatus. Constipation is delayed or hard stools. There may be passage, but obstipation is complete blockage of stool, and also flatus is lacking. You can usually clinically diagnose it with the symptoms present, and it can be confirmed just by an abdominal X-ray. Then most common causes of mechanical obstructions are like adhesions and bands due to thickening of skin or the intestinal walls, intestinal skin tissues. It gets adhesed or bands get formed due to any healing scar tissue. Then strictures means narrowing. If the intestinal gap it gets narrowed. Then obstructed hernias. If a hernia is present or it is obstructed, then presence of tumors like carcinoma of the colon. So all these are the reasons. Again, another general causes like diverticulitis. Diverticulitis is formation of a sac-like formation in the wall of the intestine. It leads to obstruction of the intestine. Then foreign bodies like gallstones get depicted in the, it get collected in the intestines and it blocks the intestine. Then volvulus is twisting of the bowel or its mesentery. The bowel gets twisted and it gets obstructed. That is volvulus. Another is intussusception. Intussusception, it is telescoping of one segment of bowel onto the other. One segment of the bowel gets inside to the other segment of the bowel. And it gets obstructed. And fecal impaction, the feces getting hard and it gets impacted without going, it obstructs the intestine. So all these are reasons for intestinal obstructions. These can later lead to ascites conditions. Now we'll come to the next type of udara, that is chidrodara. It's also called as parisravi and jalodara. Shata means injury, chidra means perforation. Parisravi means there is some kind of exudative fluid that is coming or getting collected. So how this chidra or perforation occurs, that is explained in the Nidana, that is intake of asthyadi shalyai, substances like bones, nails, sand particles, grass, wood pieces, etc. along with food. This has been explained by Acharyas. Vagbhada has mentioned asthyadi. Adi includes all these substances. So asthyadi shalyai is along with food. Then atyashana, there is eating in excess quantity of food. So all these can cause some kind of injury in the intestinal walls. That is vidyade, pachyade. Following injury, there is inflammatory changes and suppuration happening, which ultimately leads to a tear or a perforation in the antram or the intestinal wall. And tat chidre, and through the perforation, sravan bahi. Srava means secretion. What kind of secretion here is the ama annarasa, because there is agninasha due to atyashana, etc. There is agninasha and ama formation. This ama annarasa along with the suppurative fluids or inflammatory exudates, it all mixed and it comes out. It is formed and it flows out. Ama eva gudadedi. Few little bit of the quantity of this flow out through the guda pradesha. Tado alpa alpam, little bit. Savitrasa along with like vitrasa. This suppurative fluid, it flows out along with the guda as vitrasa. And it have a similar smell of decayed dead body, that is kunapagandha, smell of decayed dead body, and it is pitchila, sticky, and pitalohida, and yellowish in appearance. So the little bit of it flows through the guda, that is as vitrasa, and remaining of them leaks out through the intestine again, and it gets collected in the jadhara. Sheshascha, remaining fluid, that which does not flow out through the guda, it gets collected, apurya, it fills the jadhara. Sheshascha apurya jadharam, khoram avhed, producing severe distension in the abdomen. Vardayet adho naapirashu. Due to gravity, it fills below the umbilicus. So the part below the umbilicus, the region of udara, it gets enlarged. Ashu chedi jalatmadam. And this condition usually quickly it transformed into jalodara. The avasthas are transforming quickly. Jatodaka, Ajatodaka, Pichodaka, and Jalodaka. All these stages, it happens quickly in this condition, in this type of udara. Udrikta dosha rupam. Udrikta dosha rupam means that vitiated doshas are extremely vitiated here. So all these vitiated dosha lakshanas are seen. Vyaptam cha. And there is a large abdomen. And Shwasa Tridbama, other symptoms like Shwasa, Trishna, and giddiness, all these lakshanas are seen. Then chidrodara midam prahu, this condition is called as chidrodara. It's also called as parisravi by other acharyas. So this is related to intestinal condition called as intestinal perforation. There are many causes of intestinal perforation in the modern science. Intestinal perforation, it occurs when a hole forms, when chidra or a hole forms all the way through the small intestine or large intestine due to formation of trauma, due to many reasons like stab injuries or gunshot wounds, some external factors like that, or due to some different diseases or internal factors like appendicitis or diverticulitis, the inflammatory changes producing tear in the intestinal walls. The symptoms like severe abdominal pain, fever, nausea, vomiting, and even rectal bleeding can be seen. It is a surgical emergency condition and needs immediate treatment to prevent complications and death. So in this condition also there is the inflammatory fluid, it gets collected between the pericardial cavity and leads to ascites, formation of ascites. Next is jalodara. So it is the final stage. Either it is considered as a final stage if earlier stages like any type of udara, that is vadika, paitika, pleha, or chidra, baddha, all these if neglected, it attains the complete jalodara. So it can occur as a swatantra vyadhi also due to certain reasons. Those reasons are pravritta snehapanade, Sahasa ama ambopayena. That means drinking of cold water by the patient who has administered snehapana or run snehapana for panchakarma, for any of the panchakarma. Usually that person has to take ushna jala as pathya, but if he is taking cold water. Then excess cold water, that is atyambopana and mandagni, what some kind of persons, if they use atyambopana, ambopana, excess cold water, it is used by persons having mandagni. Then kshina, weak, person who is weak by severe diseases. Then atikrisha, a person who has lost his mamsa and medus, maybe due to fasting, etc. So such person, if they are taking excess cold water, what happens is that Rudhva Ambu Marga Anila Kafascha Jala Murchida means their Ambu Hostosis is vitiated. There is vitiation of Vata and Kapha. Because all these Shrina, Atikrisha, if they are, the Vata Vritti is occurring and excess fluid accumulation leads to Kapha Dushti along with Jala, So Jala Ambu Hostosis in total along with Vata and Kapha is vitiated, and there is obstruction in the Ambu Hostosis leading to collection of Jala in Sthana. Its Sthana is Cloma. Cloma is a controversial problem. Here you have to consider it somewhere near pancreas. So the position is Udara, somewhere in the Udara. So the collection of Jala from its sthana and manifestation occurs in the Udara Pradesha, and that is the reason for jalodara. So these are, in this condition it is mentioned as a Swatantra Vyadhi, or as a Paratantra Avastha. It is all the types like Badhodara, Pittodara, Kafajodara, Dushyodara. So all these kinds, if they are neglected, it forms uh, jalodara in last. That is a Paratantra reason for formation of jalodara. Tadaha syad uttaram trishna guda shruti rujanvidam. And by all these nidanas and samprapti, udara manifests, showing the following symptoms like trishna, thirst, guda shruti, secretions from guda, rujan, pain in the udara pradesha, then kasa, shwasa, ruchi, all this explained earlier. Nana varna sira, that is multicolored striations are seen over the skin, a network of veins which has various colors. Then Toya Purna Dhriti Sparsha Shabda Prakshobha Vebadu. Toya Purna Dhriti is bladder. Toya Purna is filled with bladder. So it resembles, the abdomen resembles the water filled with bladder on touching. And on percussing, it makes similar sound like water filled bladder. On tapping a water filled bladder. Shabda, Sparsha, Shabda and Prakshobha, or vibrations. It is similar to water filled bladder. So this can be seen in the examination of ascites also. We can fluid thrill is examined. Examination of abdomen in ascites, that is fluid thrill, the test for fluid thrill is similar to this Toya Purnadri Sparsha, what the Acharyas have mentioned. Then Dakodaram Mahat Snigdam Stiram Avritanapidat. Dakodaram Mahat Snigdam, and this is called as jalodara or dakodara or udakodara, all these synonyms. Mahat, it is enlarged. Snigdham, sumptuous to touch, and stable, stiram, with averted umbilicus. Stiram avritanavi is, the umbilicus is averted. Along with this, all the features explained in Jata Udaka Avastha. Earlier we have mentioned the three avasthas of Udara. Then Jata Udaka means complete manifestation of accumulated fluid. Certain conditions are explained. That is similar. That's the same condition seen in jalodara. So all those lakshanas can be added for the jalodara avastha also. So in short, we'll explain, as I have explained earlier, ultimately all udaras, it ends up in jalodaras. If proper treatment measures are not done or prajnaparata is continued, kalantarena, as time progresses, by paripaka, by the samprapti, all types of udara will progress to jalodara. That is, it's as a paratantra vyadhi, it occurs as a paratantra vyadhi. And how it occurs as a swatantra vyadhi, it has been explained in the diagnosis of jalodara. Jalodara, it's manifested in three stages, that is Ajata Udaka Avastha, Pichotpati Avastha and Jata Udaka Avastha. This was explained earlier. Ajata Udaka means where water accumulation doesn't take place. Pichotpati is the accumulation of sticky fluid, and Jata Udaka is the dosha is getting matured, liquefied, and it gets collected. All the fluid in the body gets collected in the abdomen. That is Jata Udaka Avastha. So in fact, these are the progressive conditions of Srotorodha or Sroto Vaigunya that is happening in the Sampapti. Stage by stage, visheshan of the Srotas or Sroto Vaigunya that is happening in the Jalodara. We'll come to the Sadhya Sadhyata by Extranger there. Vada Pitta Kapha Pleha Sannipada Dakodaram Krichram Yadhotaram. That is Vata Pitta Kapha, then Plehodara, Sannipadodara, Jalodara. These are Uttarodara Krichra Sadhya. Yathottaram, one by one. So that means Pittaja is more Krichra than Vataja. Kafaja is more Krichra than Pittodara, like that. Pakshat Param Praye Apare Hata. Apare means the other two, Badhodara and chidrodara. Hataha kills. Pakshat Param. Paksha means 15 days. So after 15 days, if the disease stands for 15 days, it will kill the person. That is Badhodara and chidrodara. After 15 days, it kills the person. Sarvam cha jata salilam rishtoktam vadranvidam. all udara, sarvam cha jata salitam, with complete manifestation of jala, along with the complications told in Sharirasthana, or certain Arishta Lakshanas or Arishta Lakshanas have been mentioned in Sharirasthana regarding the Jatara. If those are present, it is asadhya. Janmaneva udaram sarvaha praya krichutamam madam. That is, all udara, as a vyadhi swabhava of the roga, all udara is generally krichratama. Krichratama is a top stage. But prayaha indicates few are krichra also. The krichra swabhava is there, but krichratama is a general vyadhi swabhava, but few are krichra. It depends upon the extent of the samprapti khatakas involved. Balinas tad ajada ambu yatma satim navotidam. And last line explains all those udaras, that is sathya, with difficulty. That's yatma sathya. That if it is nava, and if a person is balavan, and if it is in ajada ambu avastha, these are sathya or yatma sathya. With difficulty we can cure it.